Hey everyone, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. My name is Nadine, and today I'm going to be staking the pumpkins and gourds because they're going crazy and I want them to grow where I want them to. So let's head back to the hill and we'll start staking up those pumpkins. So here's our pumpkins, gourds, and watermelons. The watermelons are still little, but they're getting there. This one looks like it's starting to want to vine out. These are the pumpkins. They're already vining. And these are the gourds here, and they're starting to vine out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these wooden stakes. I got these at Lowe's. And I'm going to put one at the base of the hill, one in the middle, and one at the top. And then I'm going to use this string here to run a line from one stake to the next all the way up the hill. And then I'll train the vines to go around that string and grow up the hill. That way they're not just growing anywhere. So I'm going to go grab a hammer real quick, and then we'll start putting the stakes in and we'll run the string, and then I'll show you how I'm going to train those vines to grow up the string. Alrighty guys, so I've got my stakes and my strings run, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to train the vines to grow up the string. So these guys are probably about, I don't know, 2.5 feet long, and they're the perfect size to start training. I'd probably actually start training a little bit sooner, but you'll basically just take your vine and then you'll very gently wrap it around the string. Like so. And you'll do that with each vine. Just watch it kind of prickly. And that's pretty much it. You may have to continue to train them to twist around that string all the way up the hill, or wherever it is that you're wanting to do this. I'm not sure. This is my first time doing it. That's what I'm hoping, that they'll just vine up the string on their own, but we shall see how it goes. But that is how it looks so far. And eventually they'll right themselves, so you don't have to worry about them, you know, being lopsided or off to one side or the other. They'll eventually change direction according to where the sun is, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's it for staking and stringing my pumpkins and gourds. I'm gonna finish up with my watermelons here, and then we'll be done for the day. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and remember to grow where you're planted.